Yesterday, Eric was here and we got a lot of work done. Take a look.
It's wet.
Yeah, I watered yesterday. It smells good.
I hope it's coming bigger.
Whenever you see a leaf that looks like that, you know there's some critter. I don't see it. But it definitely metamorphosed in there. There's always something eating on something. That looks like lettuce. Is that a weed or is that lettuce?
That's weed.
Okay.
There's the-
And the lemongrass is coming back now after I cut it all back. But if I'd known this Cape gooseberry was going to get this big, I would have put a cage there. Nothing?
Maybe the fly.
You're kidding. Can you grab it?
It's right there.
Oh, it's a worm.
Yeah, see?
Oh yeah, I'll get it. It's just an inchworm. Oh, there's more than one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We need to spray the neem.
Yeah, we could do that. That's a volunteer squash.
No.
Or cucumber or something.
That's good. It's healthy.
We got a lot of dirt in here. Just grab a bucket. Yeah. Yeah, if you fill that up, then just put
Put it in. Get it.
1/3, 1/3, 1/3 on the leeks.
Yes.
Okay. This will be the last time. This should come all the way up. Okay. Hi. That's interesting.
This is a lot.
Yeah, this has a lot more.
I bring more.
Okay.
Okay.
I think so, yeah. I think this one's ready. Let's pull this out. You hold everything and I'll pull this, okay? Okay. It's not very big, but they were crowded, so it's pretty. Very nice. We left 4 in here and hopefully they'll get bigger. This borage is now 6 feet tall. And I think because it's growing up in the fig tree, it's got some support and maybe it won't fall over as soon. Is there any in the bottom that we could? No, not really.
Use it to a good mix. Like that.
Okay. Just mix it today and then maybe 2 more weeks.
Yeah. It's coming. It's very good. It's working. It's working very good.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe not take a piece.
Yeah, there's a lot of worms there. Oh.
Yeah, very nice. Oh no.
Ooh, beautiful.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's natural.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Organic.
They love it.
A lot of people love it, organic. Yes, it's very nice. All working together.
My goodness.
This is a lot of people working for you. Very nice, huh?
Yeah, all those people are working for me.
See? Give me some liking for me.
Ooh, that's a lot of worms.
Huh?
Wow,
100.
that looks like a family. We just planted one of the new tomato seedlings in this bed in between the garlic, because this garlic could take another 4 months the way it's growing, and I don't want to lose. This is a great sunny area. In fact, we should put 2 in here. Okay, I'm going to try to get these dill shoots out of these Jerusalem artichokes and replant them. Okay. That's a lot of roots. Eric is just popping these onions. These toy onions are so easy to move around. And they were in the way of planting a tomato inside these rings that are already here.
See?
So he's going to pop this tomato right in there. And we're planting 3 more tomatoes, and that's it for this year. So I decided I better cut these lower branches off of these tomatoes. It's always a good idea to clean your clippers between tomato plants. This is early in the season and I don't see any mildew, but you never know. Yeah, we can eat those. Just pull them out.
Very nice.
Beautiful. Wow. Love it. Okay.
Huh?
It's hard to see. This has a big sucker, but I'm going to leave it. Try to get as many tomatoes as I can. Yeah, somebody said these are wire worms and they're bad. Yeah.
Eat the root.
And just remember the ones you used coffee and put coffee on the rest of them, okay? Good. So I had this crazy idea to put a Sweet Annie right in the middle of all of this alyssum, because Sweet Annie grows up 4 feet tall and the alyssum just drapes over, so it can grab some sun. So the soil level in the pots were really low, so he's just adding more soil. These are 2 of my new Sweet Annie seedlings that I just transplanted.
Okay, it's wet.
Okay.
So put it in. This is the crazy idea. They're looking good. I
Right.
need more dirt.
Okay.
See?
Yeah, you do.
Let me-
That was
Let me bring more.
that one was really low.
Yeah, I get it.
I am going to have some salad. This is getting ready to bolt, and I'm going to cut it back. We'll see if it comes back. I don't know if it will or not. I just steamed some of my beets and my purple potatoes that I grew. I'm going to save this liquid till it cools, and I'll use that somewhere. Okay, I just wanted to cool that off because I'm going to add these to the salad I just made, which is already colorful. It has strawberries, an orange, my toy onion, one little pepper, my first green pepper, and of course the romaine lettuce on this salad. And the only thing I'm adding that I didn't grow are some farm fresh organic eggs, boiled, and I'm going to squeeze some of my Meyer lemon on here. Okay. Salt, pepper, and a little avocado oil, and this is going to be a great salad. Can't wait. They bloom year round. It's amazing. Finally got this little kefir lime potted up. I grew this from seed at least 3 or 4 years ago. And this one I purchased from Four Winds Growers last fall. And it's blooming and making babies. This is a volunteer Johnny Jump Up, and we're going to move it into this pot where it's going to have some company. That group right there, just take that out. Those are ready. Beautiful.
Ready? Inside.
Very pretty. Yes. Very pretty. This sweet Annie is going in this little pot. It's going to be kind of small for this plant, for the roots, but I'm going to put it right here by the doorway. There's just a few of these beauties left. Okay, so over here, Eric is doing some pruning on some of these bushes that are coming across into our side. This is the protocarpus, which a lot of people plant as a border in between houses, but it gets really big and very hard to deal with. So we need to beat this back. This is my plum tree, which is at least 30 years old, and it's sandwiched in between the two houses now. So I'm hoping for a big harvest this year. Last year was very light. I do see plums developing. Oh, look at that one. Oh, and that one. Okay. What do you think, Eric? Yeah, just start working on this section here. Yeah. No. Ooh.
Right here.
Okay.
This is security.
Okay. I'm going on the other side.
Try it. This is level. This level.
Is that on my side?
See on your side.
Okay. Cut it 2 feet down.
Like this.
Yeah, that looks better.
It's too high.
Yeah.
See? 3 feet.
That looks a lot better.
Is that okay?
Yeah, now the plum tree can get some sun.
got a little pieces of bamboo, okay? Start the house,
Yeah, sure.
a little bit. Okay.
Careful.
Get it.
I see plums right there. Careful.
No, I push it in this.
I know.
Do not touch the.
There's so many. How's it going?
Yeah, there you
Oh, good.
clean it up.
Not too much left.
Yeah.
I've got to get some foil and cover my blueberries because look, we are so close. Thanks so much for watching this channel, liking my videos, and especially sharing them with your friends. Check out ways to support this channel in the description below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And if you enjoyed this one, why not try these?